everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and we have another product review today. So what product are we reviewing? We are reviewing probably something a lot of you have seen if you've been in the YouTube area for a while with diamond painting, but it's from Archer's Arts, and it's a diamond grinder, okay? And then also a tray that they just came out. But I wanted to give you a backstory. I saw this on Stitcherista's video, and then a couple other people on Facebook showed they had gotten theirs, and I started following Archer's Art, and I've just been saving up for it. I was focusing on, I think if you saw my last video, if not, go check it out. I was focusing on my diamond, excuse me, pens. And then my next $20, I was going to get this. So green's my favorite color, so I had to get green. And so I started joining their Facebook group and was watching, and they were brainstorming on making one of these, and they had a contest for a logo. And so I turned in a logo, and it's like an A with a little archery and a little arrow, and I won the contest. And so by doing that, they sent me one of their first trays, and they also sent me one of the diamond grinders. Now a lot of people are getting them to match. I love that concept, but I actually ended up getting the the pearl white, because I can't, my brain cannot handle clashing. So I thought it would be easier for me to see the majority of the DMC colors instead of on a green. So that's why I'm not matchy-matchy. If I do come into some funds, maybe I'll buy another tray, because we all, you know, these trays are fantastic. So I wanted to show you a comparison. This is like your normal white tray, okay? Yeah, so this is like your normal white tray, and this fits inside of here. I'm kind of miscombobulated right now. I don't know where my big tray like this is. It's about the same size as the large. Oh, here it is. Ha, right in front of me. Look at that. So it's a little thinner, as far as like a little more narrow, I should say. The reason it was more narrow, a lot of thought went into this, is because they also sell these with little finger holders. And so it was to help those with smaller hands be able to hold it on both sides, and to use with the finger holders if you need. So that's why it's more narrow. It's the same length. Instead of having the tray at the end, there was a lot of product research done. They have the tray, the spout on the side. I suggested, and I'm so glad they took me up on it, that they put like a little cover here, because many times when I'm pouring them out, if they pile up here because I poured too many, they come over the sides. So this actually really helps when you're pouring them out to catch them from flipping. There is a small ramp inside right here, so that when you're shaking them, it keeps them from going out this hole. Now I have noticed if I'm going like this, sometimes they fall so fast that that ramp ends up catapulting. So I've learned, here I'll pour some in. I've learned, you know, so shake, shake, shake. It's great. The grooves are nice and deep, very similar to the blue tray a lot of people like. I've learned when I'm ready to put them back that I just kind of tip them all down on this side, and then I pour them into my container, and that helps them from hitting this and flying out. So yeah, and the sides, as you can see, are they're taller, so that you can shake till your heart's content and they're not going to fly out. So I believe she has these in 10 different colors. like a green color, this white color, there's a marble, a blue, a red. I think there's 2 types of purple, a pink, a teal, excuse me. And then she has colors of the month. This is made, again, this is a husband and wife team. The husband made this out of a 3D printer. So there's actually different layers in it. It's not like the other things that you see. And they have awesome videos. Yeah, you can see the lines there of them making these. Time lapse. It's kind of cool to watch. So yeah, that's the tray. I believe right now they're $13. And then you guys have all seen the reviews of these, I'm sure, of the diamond grinder. Basically, it's used, now this batch doesn't have any stuck together. But basically you put in the diamonds and it comes with a little instructional sheet, and you kind of make sure they're all, you know, scattered. Excuse me. They're not on top of each other. And then you lay this on top. You don't press it, and you turn. And as you turn, these like orange slice grids separate the diamonds. This was created more for square diamonds. I do know it works for round, but it was created with square in mind with the concept. I do know that she's gotten I love the family that they get feedback and try different options, because she does have some prototypes she's working on where there's like a little thing on top here for those who, let me pretend this is like right here. It's like a little stool that turns so that those with arthritis, it's easier. So yeah, I love that she's always looking for the next way to improve their product. And these end up being $12 because she, and that includes shipping, because she wants this to be, or maybe it doesn't, forgive me, definitely check into the site to make sure. But these together, she wanted to be $25. So this one's 12, this one's 13, excuse me. Pardon me. If you haven't watched some of my other videos, I'm getting over a really nasty cold. So yeah, that's my product review on Archer's Arts. Go check them out. I'll put the link below. Until next time, be blessed and have a great night.